Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef'n' More. And today we are going to be making fried cauliflower bites. Yes! And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes the easy and simple way, subscribe so that you won't miss any of my videos. And tap that bell so you'll always be notified. We're going to get started right now. Okay guys, let's dive right in here. We have our cauliflower that has already been separated, rinsed, and drained. We have tempura batter, which we have the link to how to make that right up above. So if you guys want to check out that video, you can see how to make your own tempura batter. And we have our breadcrumbs, guys. And to our breadcrumbs, we're going to be adding some Parmesan cheese, and our homemade breadcrumbs video is up above too. So check that out for how to make your own homemade breadcrumbs. Yes, you just want to go ahead and mix the Parmesan cheese in with the breadcrumbs. It just gives it a little bit more flavor. And we have our batter already as well. So what we're going to do now, guys, is just take our cauliflower and dip it in the batter. You want to coat it. You can coat quite a few pieces at a time. Just get in there and stir it up and just make sure each piece is well coated, guys. Okay, all right. After that, you're going to take each piece one by one and we're going to coat it in our breadcrumbs. So you can use a pair of tongs if you want. I just like to get in there with my hands. Shake the excess off and coat it really well in the breadcrumbs. This is going to give it that nice crispy exterior that we like. Each piece, and when you put them on the platter, make sure they're separated. We're going to put them in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes after we have them all coated so that the batter and coating can set on them. So I'm just going to get the rest of these coated and we'll be back when we're all done after they have been coated. Yes. Okay guys, they're all coated, headed for the refrigerator for about 10 minutes while we heat up our oil. Okay, they have been sitting in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes, guys, and we have our oil on medium-high heat. And you just want to take one at a time and sit them in the hot oil. As you can see, it's sizzling, so that means our oil is nice and hot. You want to sit them in one by one. They are very delicate, and you don't want to crowd the skillet because that will make them greasy. You want them to have room in between every one. And if you have little small pieces, put those on the edge of your skillet and put the larger pieces in the center, because the center of your skillet always cooks just a tad bit hotter and faster than the edges. And this way, if you have different size pieces, which with cauliflower you probably will, it should all come off at the same time. It should all be ready together. So we're just going to go ahead and get this cooked. We'll have about 2 batches. And let's get these turned over, guys. As you can see, they're nice and golden brown on the other side, just what we want. They cook maybe about 3 or 4 minutes per side, 5 at the most, because it doesn't take much, and you still want the cauliflower to be a little crunchy inside. You want to have that bite still. You don't want any mushy cauliflower inside once it's fried up. So we're just going to get these turned over, and we've got our first batch out and our second batch is coming out now. Yes, look how golden brown that is on all sides. You want to flip them over several times while you're cooking them just to make sure that each side is golden brown. And once we take these out, guys, guess what? We're done. Now, wasn't that simple, quick, and easy? Yes. And this was a small head of cauliflower. If you want more, you might want to use 2 heads, but this was just a small head of cauliflower, and we are just about done. Let's get the rest of these on out. Yes, look at that, guys. Nice and golden brown, delicious crispiness. All right, we are done, and they are ready for me to eat. Yes. And guys, if you like these how-to videos, consider supporting me over on Patreon. I have the link in the description as well as right here. Leave me some comments. Tell me if you tried it and how yours turned out. Yes, and guys, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe so that you will always get my videos, and tap the bell so you'll be notified when I upload them. Thank you guys for coming and hanging out and cooking with me today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. I am so glad to see you guys and hang out with you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.